Hey people, I'm Michaela and this is Typing with Photoshop. Today I'm going to show you how to create text, change your text style, your text size, and layer control on Photoshop, and some other things. Where my mouse is circling is Text Tool. You always see it with capital T in Photoshop and Illustrator. If you click on it and hold it down, it'll give you 4 different ways you can have your text. I'm just going to show you the first two. The horizontal typing, which is left to right, left to right, and then you have the vertical, which is up, in, down. Okay, for me it's always fun to change my font style, which in some classes you're going to need it. For some shirts and if you come up to your left-hand corner where I have my arrow, it's probably going to show a giant circle. Right now it says Beyond Wonderland. If you click the arrow that shows down, it'll give you a bunch of different styles you can use. And you can see the samples to the right side. The names on the left. Like I said, right now I have a Beyond Wonderland. Let's change it to, let's go be boring and do Arial. You saw how it changed right here. It's no longer the little swirly stuff. It's now nice, a little more normal. Now, the one thing about Arial is that if you go here, you can change the font style. Right now it's at regular. If you click on it, the arrow downward, it will show regular, which is what you have it on now. You do italics, it slants forward. Do bold, it'll thicken up a little bit, and do bold italic, it does both. Okay, you can also change your font size over here. Right now I have it at 24 points. If you click on the downward arrow, if you press down on this, it gives you a bunch of sizes you can just immediately go to. You can do 18, which is mediocre. Its largest is 72, but you can go bigger if you want by going up here, highlighting your number, and clicking in something, like 100. Or we can have fun and make it 600. Unfortunately, we made it too big a little bit ago, so let's use this one and make it 600. We're going to shrink it again for my next part. I'm going to show you pretty much how to make the pixels go away a little bit. One of the things you can do is, let's go this one. If you look around the edges of your words, you can see little ridges, which are the pixels kind of showing up. Over here, it gives you a choice on, do you want your pixels smooth, which kind of smooths it out, pixels out a little bit. If you want it strong, which thickens up, or crisp. You can see a little bit of difference in them. If you want sharp, you'll see that the pixels on the edge change just a teensy bit. Next, I'm going to show you how to change your color. I'm going to skip over this. I'll come back to it in a little bit. Now, if you see a giant, not really giant, but mediocre sized box right here, and you click on it, it shows the color that it is. You can change the color so it's over here with just kind of moving it. I'm weird. I like blue, so I'm going to go with blue. Not that blue. Or that blue. That blue. Okay. So that's how you change. This here can let you warp the text. Over here. You go to style, you can arc it. That doesn't like it. You can arc lower it. I'm going to move this over so you can see. Yes. You can upper arc it. You can arch it. Bulge. Shell lower. Upper shell. Flag. Wave, if you want to do oceanish. Fishy. Rise. Fish eye. Inflate, which makes it bigger. Squeeze, which it's what it is, it squeezes. And twist. You can mess with them a little more down in here, like how much do you want it to twist? How much horizontal distort do you want? And how much vertical distortion do you want? If you notice right here, it says horizontal and vertical. They're a darker gray, you can't really change it. It's because the way your words are. If you're in horizontal, have your words typed horizontally, then it's gonna show the horizontal. Vertical shows vertical. Okay. Next, what you're going to use is what you've used in English, probably. The right alignment, middle alignment, and left alignment. And I said those backwards. Left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. It moves to the area. Middle, if you were to type, I'm going to change this back to normal. Then. Okay. If you were to type in center, your words will, will move that way. They will stay in the center. Whoopsies. I can't spell today. Stay in the center. If you have it to the right, left, your words will move to the left. To the right, same thing. Let's go to center and delete this because it does not like me. No. Another thing you can do is you can move where it's at, where your word's at, without moving through these. You go up here, click it, and you can drag it anywhere. Okay. If you've been noticing, over here there's a sidebar, or toolbar, I guess you can call it. It says color, where you can change your color also. Except this one goes for down here. You color swatches, styles, the gradient kind of stuff, mask, path, layers. Now, layers are what you've done kind of in the past. If I were to, let's say, touch the eyeball, well, the eyeball obviously indicates the layer of invisibility. Each has its own layer. If you want to make something disappear for like vinyl, if you go with the layers, let's say that you're doing a 2-part piece, but you have to do different colors. Let's make this red. Okay. What you need to do is you're going to want to get rid of, you're going to want to start with the color that you're starting with. Let's say I'm starting with blue vinyl. For blue vinyl, you're going to go to the layer, and whereas this Heya, since Heya is red, you're going to press the layer visibility indicator. Click it, no longer see the eyeball. Hey look, Heya went away. Same thing can be done with the color and the background. No background. Fun. And that is the end of our lovely little video. Bye!